Alright guys, so finally they are here. Alright guys, so after almost 3 months of being wearing, finally the new MacBook Pro is available in Taiwan. Yes, I need to wait almost 3 months, which is a pain in the ass. Watch all those YouTubers unboxing their MacBook Pros, but this is my turn, I still have that excitement inside of me, so let's go ahead and start unboxing everything. First is this small box, which I suppose will be the new Magic Mouse 2. So let's take a look, and it should be that. Yes, it's that. A very big box for such a tiny box right here. So right here we have the Magic Mouse 2 from Apple. I choose the black version because of course my new MacBook Pro is black and not like this one. By the way, this is my old MacBook Pro. This is the 2014. I'm doing a video about how to upgrade to an eGPU and all that stuff. The video is coming up very soon, so stay tuned with the channel for watch that video. But for now we have here our Magic Mouse 2, and now let's open the main, what was that song? The main thing of the video, which is the MacBook Pro. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the specs and the reason why I buy this MacBook Pro, which you will see in the next video, because even I upgrade this MacBook Pro, it wasn't what I expected, but yeah, so oh, look at that. This is the first thing that you will see after open this box. I don't know if I don't want to break it, so I'm gonna be very careful. And there's nothing else on the box, so we take this down, and there you go, guys. This is my new MacBook Pro. The specs, we have 8 cores, 9th generation Intel Core i9 processor, boost to 4.8 gigahertz, because I need to pay $200 just for 2 gigahertz, which is the next level of the GPU. So I decided to don't go for that upgrade. I upgrade to 16.4 gigabytes of RAM. They are running in 2666 megahertz, which is like almost double of my old MacBook Pro. Another thing that I upgrade was the graphic card, and I choose the AMD Radeon Pro 5500 with 8 gigabytes of memory. And the storage is something that I was thinking to upgrade or not, since it's really expensive. So just to upgrade to 2 terabytes is $400, 4 terabytes go up to $1,000, and 8 terabytes go to $2,200, which is crazy. So I just say, I'm gonna pay a little bit. I don't have that much money, but 2 terabytes is a good option. It's double of what I have before on my Mac, so why not? So yes, that's the specs of this MacBook Pro. I'm gonna be using to finally edit my videos a real computer, because as a graphic designer, I know most of you will hate me for what I will say, but I hate PC to edit videos. It sucks. PC is for games. Point. Nothing else, right, Henry? This guy loves so much PC. He just will be fighting me, but trust me, guys, when I say as a graphic designer for profession, Mac is best for this kind of stuff. Personal opinion. I respect your opinion, you know how it is. So let's go ahead and open it. I didn't even let you to answer, right, Killer? Yes. You can tell your opinion. Say to the world, oh, I don't know why I'm using this. It has here like a stuff to just pull out, and I don't know what I'm doing with a knife, man. Okay, yes, it don't looks good. He's right. So, tell your answer, man. What do you think about PC versus Mac?
To me, it's still PC. I'm a gamer. Yeah.
He's a PC guy.
Damn, PC the best.
You should change to Mac, man.
Why not?
You should test it at least once. But okay, guys. So as you see, here we have the the cover, which is the MacBook Pro as usual. And after open, oh ho ho ho. So it has this a little bit like paper, so you can pull it up very easy. And the first, before open, let's see what I have inside. We're gonna have, of course, our Type-C cable. I don't know if it's Thunderbolt. I suppose it will be Thunderbolt. It should be Thunderbolt 3. If it's not, it's Type-C. Like I said, this is a quick unboxing. We have, of course, all our documentation here. I don't see the stickers. Normally they have some Mac. Oh, these ones are great. Looks really nice. Looks better than the white ones. What do you think, Killer?
Yeah, it looks good.
Looks really cool, right?
Great.
I told you, man. Apple, man.
Yeah.
It's Apple. And we have, of course, our power adapter, which looks exactly the same except for this, as you can see here. Let me see if I can wrap it out. Okay, here you go. I already break the paper, well, whatever. It has here a Type-C connector, which is what makes it different from the other one. Yeah, I also don't have the things for the cable, since this is like in 2 parts instead of 1 part, which is kind of cool. So let's move out to see our new MacBook Pro. And I hope I don't drop this stuff because I'm gonna cry like 3 years. Look at this, my friends, look at that. This, my friends, is my new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Let's open fast the Magic Mouse. This one don't have anything else to open, so I can open it in traditional way. Looks so beautiful, man. I don't want to even touch it because it will create so many fingerprints. We can see here the camera, but yeah, it looks really cool. Alright guys, as you can see, I already finished to set up my new MacBook Pro. Like I said before, I'm gonna be editing all my videos from now on with this computer. I'm more than excited to start doing that. And yes, that's all for this quick unboxing. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the new MacBook Pro. If you are a PC guy, please don't be bad on the comments. I will appreciate it. My name is Anders, and I catch you next time.